Welcome back. We just saw that spot for your home care, and I'd like to welcome on our program right now Sigal Ronan and Cameron Chadwick. And well, they are here for the first time and talking about their services. So welcome, Cameron, Sigal. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Thank you for having us.
And you know, we were talking just a little bit, and one of the things I asked them about, and I said, well, I noticed you have a storefront. Do you go into the home? How does that work? And we're going to get into that and find out more about you. So in general, what is your home care and what makes you different?
So we were founded by Mr. Boyd Warner, who's a resident of Laguna Hills for 36 years. He raised his children here, and he was extremely invested and passionate about this community and this city. He was a lay minister for about 10 years, just serving the needs of the seniors.
Okay.
And so when he had an opportunity to give back to the community, he wanted to invest in your home care to be able to provide home care for seniors that live nearby.
And how long ago was this? When did your company begin?
In 2016.
Okay, so
We've
just
been here
about
for
3
a few
years.
years.
All right.
Yeah.
And you know, as I said, I noticed that you have a storefront, which is sometimes for a lot of home care companies they don't have. And you're located, it's right down the street here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so very close by. So what are some of the services that you provide?
Yeah, so the first thing that we do is we provide in-home care. And basically what that is helping seniors with daily activities of living, which our registered caregivers would do.
Okay.
And some of these services include is from bathing assistance or bathroom assistance or meal prep, cooking. They help with transportation needs, whether that be doctor visits, medication pickups, or going shopping.
Okay.
They also help with memory care support. They'll do light house cleaning, and of course they'll help with companionship.
All right, so at what basis that you do this? Is it by an hour somebody comes in 4 hours a day, or is it 24 hours? What are the different options that people have?
Yeah, everything's basically tailored to the client.
Okay.
So they can come in for a few hours. Sometimes we have clients that are 24/7. Maybe they need transitional care for a short period of time, or they need long-term care. So everything's tailored to what they need.
Okay. And Sigal, tell us about the social club. Now we're showing photos here, and this is the part that I was talking about. That you have a storefront here, and is this your social club and stay care?
It is. So we're right next door to Mother's and CVS.
Yep. Okay.
And the space is beautiful. When Mr. Warner walked in, he just immediately fell in love with the idea of having people inside. And so what we did is we created a social club and stay care. And it's going to service Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5. And we're so excited because it's a social model. So it's designed to help support seniors, to give them a place to be able to come and connect and enjoy. It's very fresh and innovative. And we're extremely excited about it.
So is this part of, I guess I'll ask you this way, is this something that somebody can just get? In other words, they go, hey, you know what, we don't need somebody in our home, but we would love to have this option, or is this part of a package?
Yes, so they can come in, we do full day, we also do half day, and then based on availability, we'll do hourly, but mostly it's either 9 to 5, or we break it up into 2 sections where it's a morning or an afternoon.
Okay.
And it's gonna be really easy for them to come in. They can just come in and pick up an application and fill out the paperwork.
Okay, and what about, are there meals involved if they're there all day, or how does that work?
If they want meals. So we have the option to provide them a lunch, or they can bring their own. We'll also have some snacks.
Okay, very good. Now, what sets you folks apart from the myriad of other home care options that are out there?
Yeah, so we're extremely excited about the person we've brought in, our life enrichment director. Her name is Sandy, and she's a wonderful person. She's been a caregiver most of her life. She got her bachelor's degree in human services and has really spent her focus on gerontology, dementia, and Alzheimer's. She's got a master's in social work, and she's done a lot of work with Alzheimer's in Huntington Beach, being a community ambassador.
Oh,
She's
very
worked
good.
with Leisure World and Seal Beach, and she just really understands the needs of the community. So she's going to be doing a lot of brain fitness activities, focusing on the cognitive and just enriching the lives of seniors, getting them out of the home, getting them connected with friendships. It's going to be wonderful.
Yeah, which is important,
Yeah.
getting them out there.
Yeah.
Now, are you open at this point?
So our grand opening celebration is Thursday, October 17th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Okay.
And we're inviting the community to come out, come see us. It's an open house. We're gonna have amazing food, and we're gonna be raffling prizes, including a beautiful golf cart we're so excited to give away.
That's kind of nice.
And the mayor of Laguna Woods is gonna be coming out for the ribbon cutting ceremony.
All right, very
Yeah.
good. Now, one question I have is, you know, we have this photo here with your van. This is how you go and pick somebody up and bring them to the to your storefront here, where people can be part of the social club and all that. So that's one of the services that you have, or take them to doctor's appointments and things like that.
Absolutely. If they need transportation, we want to be able to provide it. We know that a lot of people can get around. We're walking distance
Yeah.
for many of the seniors, but if they need it, we're there.
All right,
Yeah.
very good. So October 17th, and they're located, I know that's the grand opening, but are you open right now if somebody wanted to come by?
Yes, we
You
are starting to
okay.
take clients now. Yeah.
All right, very good. They're located next to Mother's Market. I think everyone here knows where that is. And yourhomecare.com, that is the website. You can call 949-215-0004 for more information. Thank you for coming on.
Thanks so
Thank
much for
Appreciate
having
it.
you so
us.
much for having
You
us.
take care.
Thank you.
And I'm sure we'll see you again.
Yes.
We'll be back.
Thank you.